Hi guys, this is Beam 470. Let's see what's inside the box. We have the projector and there's a box. Then we have a power cable, a user manual, a remote, and there's one more thing, which is the warranty card. Now let's understand the projector in a more deeper sense. This projector is 180-degree rotatable. You can rotate it to any which angle you like. At the back side of it, we have a few ports. First one is a USB port wherein you can connect your pen drive, then an audio box, an HDMI port, and this is a power port wherein you'll attach the power cable given with the projector. This part will go inside this and this will go into the power source. Now let's set it up. Now, in order to switch the projector on, there are two ways. First one is where you can press this button present at the back side of the projector. The second one is you can press this on off button present at the top of the remote. Let's go with the first one. Just now you'll see a screen. Okay, so this is the home page. You can adjust the focus if you want to. There is a wheel present at the top of the projector that you can use to adjust the focus manually. If, for example, I don't like what I'm seeing right now, so I'll adjust the focus. Uh, I guess this is good for me now.